The measurement here is 35 inches. 12 inches by 35 inches. Being that it's a stretching material, I'm going to use 22 inches for edge circumference. I will measure 22 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Then I have this 23 inches. I have 12 inches, which is enough. I fold into two. I'm going to sew here. After sewing here, I will cut here open. This is the one I will use for the band. I have 5.5 inches by 24 inches. So which is enough. I will fold into two. I will fold the 5.5 inches into two and sew here. After sewing, it will come this way. The measurement I have here now is 14 inches by 23 inches. Fold it to two. I will trim this place. Edge circumference is 22 inches. I add 1 inch to sew. So I will measure from here to here 11 inches after folding into two. I will sew from here 11 inches here, this way. I'm done sewing. With my thread and needle, I'm going to start my gather from here. Getting to the end here, I will tie. And sew back. Coming to this place, I will tie. Then if you can sew this part with your machine, you can do so. Let me go and try with my industrial machine and see if I can sew this part. I sewed with my industrial machine. So this is just it. Pretty simple. I have some designs here. Some chiffon, flower rose chiffon or rose flower chiffon. I have different colors, mixed colors here. I'm going to sew on the band. You can sew any color of your choice. I have different colors here. You can sew on the left, or you can sew on the right, or you can sew all through. So I'm going to start with I'm going to tack here round with thread and needle. I'm going to continue in. I'm going to sew round. After sewing, I will place another one like this. When you design like this, you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to party, to church, to event. When you design with flowers like this, let me tack, then I will show you the final look. This is 3 inches, 3 inches by 3 inches. It's 3 inches. All of them here is the same, 3 inches.